Hello children, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In today's class I am going to start the 7th lesson, that is birds around us. Already we have finished 6 lessons, right? And this is the 7th lesson, that is birds around us. Many birds you might have seen around us, yes or no? So about that, all different types of birds, how they will fly, everything we will see in this lesson. And before starting the lesson, here some activity is given. Let us do it. See here what is there. I am reading it. See, how many birds can you see in the following collection of animals? Write the number in the box, circle them also. Okay, here some animals are there, and among that some birds also are given, and they are asking us to circle whatever birds are there, and how many birds are there which you have circled, count them and write in this box. Okay, here box is there, no? In this box they are asking to write. See here, first one, pigeon is there. It is a bird, yes or no? So circle it. Okay, I am circling it. Next, lion is there. It is not a bird, leave it. Frog, it is also not a bird. Here, fish, it is also not a bird. And next, coming to the peacock, it is a bird, right? So here also I am circling it. Next one is what, Anna? Here, sparrow. Sparrow is also bird. These many pictures only are there, no? So how many we have got now? Birds, count it. Here, 1, 2, 3, yes or no? So total 3 birds we have got here. So write in this box as 3. We are having 3 birds, no? Write here 3. And now we shall start the lesson. See here, I am zooming it. I will read each para and then later I will explain to you clearly. Okay, Nana? See here, what is there here? If you get up early in the morning, you can hear the chirping of little creatures sitting on the branches of the trees. Yes or no? What they are asking, when you wake up early in the morning, what will be happening? You can listen many sounds from outside. Okay, chirping means what? Sound chestunte kadana. Okay, birds, those one. Okay, and they will be sitting on the branches of the trees. Yes or no? Early morning when you wake up, you will be getting the sound of the birds from the sitting by where they sit means on the branches of the trees. And these beautiful creatures are called as the birds. So these are only are called as what? Birds, which are making sounds. Next, we see many different kinds of birds around us, like the parakeet, crow, sparrow, pigeon and myna. Yes or no? Every day we will be seeing many kinds of birds around us, and those are all what? These names are there, no? Parakeet, crow, sparrow, pigeon, myna. These all are the different types of birds which we see daily. Next, they may be flying in the sky, pecking and hopping around, or perching on a tree top. Means what they will do means, what they are saying, they may be flying in the sky. Some may be flying in the sky and some may be pecking. Pecking means what? They will be eating with the help of their beaks. Okay, pecking means what? Nothing but birds will be having the beaks, no? With the help of those beaks they will be eating, and this is only called as the pecking. And hopping around, hopping means nothing but jumping, Nana. So jumping around or perching on a tree top. Okay, perching means what? They will be sitting. Okay, and see how the birds have sat here on the trees, top of the trees. They will be sitting or standing, or anything sitting or standing is called as the perching on the tree top, they are saying. So trees provide the birds with all their basic needs for survival, like food, shelter and place for nesting. Means here what they are saying, these trees will be providing for birds everything whatever they want. Means shelter means they will be building the nest. Yes or no? Where do the birds live? Birds will be living in the nest. So in these trees they will be building the nest, and if they want to eat anything like fruits, seeds, they will be getting from the trees. Yes or no? So the trees will be providing for them everything. Means that their home, food, everything for them to live. That means for them means what? For birds. Clear? This para is clear? Yes. Now see here, next one, what is there here? Do you know what is there? Many birds like the sparrows are fast disappearing from our cities. If you see, when we are small we used to see many sparrows, but now that many are not there. Why? Because they are saying, see, this is because we are cutting down trees in large numbers. We should stop cutting trees and create more green spaces like parks and gardens around us to welcome our little friends back in our lives. So why all these sparrows are not, we are not seeing, means we are cutting many many trees day by day for many purposes, like what, for making furniture and for building houses and everything. We are cutting many trees, so all the birds are disappearing, so we cannot find these birds. So what we should do, we should plant more and more trees, and yes or no, and we should keep many like parks and gardens, and so that all birds will be coming again, so that we can save them. So we should not cut the trees to save the birds. Okay, next here, common features of the birds, means whatever are the common features of the birds, what will be bird having. In this picture they have given clearly, we shall see here. All birds lay eggs. Yes or no? How will we get birds? By laying the eggs. Birds will be laying eggs, and from the eggs they will be getting hatched out, and again small birds will be coming out. Yes or no? And they have a beak and two legs. Yes or no? This is called as beak. Yes, no? You all know that birds will be having the beak and they will be having the two legs. Shown below are the different parts of the body of a bird. See here, whatever they have given in this picture. See, bird is having the beak, next it is having wings, and feathers will be there. These will be three types. What are there? Flight feathers, next is tail feathers, and next is the down feathers. About this clearly we shall learn now. Next one is what? Feet. Okay na, these legs are there, no? Feet, and these golla laga unnai kada nana, వీటిని claws అంటారు. Okay, these one nails are called as the claws of the birds. Okay, these all are the different parts that the bird consists. Clear? And now see here, next what is there? I am zooming it out, see Nana. See here what they have given here. I am reading it and later I will explain to you. Most birds can fly. Yes or no? Almost many birds can fly. However, few birds cannot fly. Yes or no? Many of the birds will be flying. Only some birds will be not able to fly. They cannot fly. Okay, birds like the ostrich, kiwi and penguin are the flightless birds. Okay, some birds like what? Ostrich, kiwi, penguin, these type of birds cannot fly. Okay, flightless birds means what, Anna? Nothing but the birds which cannot fly. Okay, they can however walk, hop, run and swim. Okay, even though they cannot fly, they can be able to walking, jumping, running or swimming. Okay, clear? Is this clear? What they are saying means here nothing but some birds can fly. Most of the birds can fly, but only some birds cannot fly. But instead of flying, they can walk, jump, swim and everything they can do. See here some examples they have given. An ostrich is a bird that cannot fly. It is a very fast runner. It lays the biggest egg. Okay, ostrich is there, no? It cannot fly, but it is the fastest running bird. It cannot fly, but it can run very fastly. Okay, it is a very fast runner and it lays the biggest egg. Okay, the bird which lays the biggest egg means ostrich. Ostrich will be laying the very largest egg. And coming to the penguin, here what they have given, see, a penguin uses its wings for swimming rather than flying. Penguin also cannot fly, but it can swim. How it will swim means with the help of the wings. Okay, with the help of these wings, penguin can swim, but the penguin cannot fly. So which all birds cannot fly, Nana? Here ostrich, kiwi, penguin, these all are the flightless birds. Flightless birds means which cannot fly. Clear? Next topic, what is there? See, feathers. Just now I told there will be three types of feathers: down feathers, flight feathers, tail feathers. We shall see about them. See here what they have given. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. Okay, who will have feathers means only birds will have. So birds are the only animals that will have the feathers. The feathers give the bird's body its shape and color. Okay, these feathers will be giving for the birds what, Nana? Shape and color. They will be getting its shape and color with the help of the feathers. They help in keeping the bird warm and dry. So what do these feathers do means they will be keeping the bird's body warm and dry. They help it in flying, and with the help of these feathers the birds can fly easily. Okay, feathers of many birds also help them to hide from their enemies, and these feathers also will be helping them from hiding their enemies, so they can be escaped from their enemies with the help of the feathers. And now these feathers are of three types. Just now I told, no? First one is what, Nana? Down feathers. What is meant by down feathers? We shall see now. See in the picture I have shown here, these are the down feathers. See, down feathers means what here? They cover the body of the bird and keep it warm. They are small, soft and fluffy. Okay, what do these down feathers do, Nana? They will be covering the body of the birds and they will be keeping it warm. Okay, these down feathers will keep the bird's body warm. And how they will be means they will be very small, soft and fluffy. Fluffy means what? Light in weight. Okay, so these are the features of the down feathers. What does the down feathers do means they keep the bird's body as the warm. And how they will be means you should say small, softy and fluffy. Clear? And now moving to the second type of feathers, that is what, Nana? Flight feathers. See here, what is meant by flight feathers we shall see now. The flight feathers line the bird's wings. They help it in its movement. Okay, means body shape will be there, no? Bird shape, how it will be there in one shape, they will be there, no? That shape will be given by these flight feathers. The outside shape, that line, that border will be given by the flight feathers. And they help it in its movement. Means birds are moving from here to there, means they will be able to move with the help of the flight feathers. Clear? And next, the last type of feathers is what, Nana? Tail feathers. What will the tail feathers do? We shall see now here. These feathers spread out like a fan when the bird lands on the ground. Okay, after flying above in the sky, later it will come on to the ground. No, that time when it reaches the ground, that time these tail feathers will be helping to land on the ground for the birds. Okay, these feathers will be spreading out like a fan itself. Okay, and they will be helping for the birds to come on to the ground. Okay. And see here, have you understood? Just now I told the feathers will be of three types. The first one is down feathers, second one is flight feathers, and the last one is the tail feathers. What does the down feathers do means they keep the bird's body very warm. And how they will be means they will be very small, soft and fluffy. And coming to the second type, flight feathers. Flight means what? Flight means only flying. Means they can be able to move from here to there with the help of the flight feathers. And they will be giving one structure, one border line for the birds. And though for what it will be useful means for movement. Just now I told you the birds are able to move means with the help of the flight feathers. And coming to the last one, tail feathers. What do these tail feathers do means they will be helping for the birds to come on to the ground. When they move up, fly in the sky and reaches the ground, for reaching the ground, these tail feathers will help the birds. See here, one point they have given. Birds shed their feathers at least once a year and grow new ones in their place. Okay, shed ante enna ralipodam, udipodam. Okay, so every year at least once for birds all the feathers, okay, రెక్కలు ఉంటాయి కదా అవన్నీ ఊడిపోతాయి అంట. ఊడిపోయి మళ్ళీ కొత్తవి వస్తాయి when once in a year. So for every 1 year for birds the feathers will be going off and they will be getting the new ones in that place only. Instead of that one only it will be getting the new ones. Clear? And the next topic I will discuss in the next class, Nana.